Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Growing Guitar. Ariana released songs here recently. This one is Too Close, alright? So I don't think you can come too close to this channel. Growing Guitar, subscribe to this channel, thumb up tutorials if you like them, and yeah, learn some great music. This is one opportunity here to look into Ariana Grande's Too Close, and we're gonna do that with capo on the 3rd fret, all right? Capo on 3rd, that's the easy scenario for us, and let's do the chords together like we usually do. So we're gonna start with E minor, and that goes open E, second A, second D, open G, open B, and open E. All right, next chord is the A minor. It goes open A, second D, second G, first B, and open E. We have D next. Open D, second G, third B, and second E. And then we have the B minor. That's a bar chord where you play the bar on the 2nd fret, and you bar all strings except from the last E string. You don't have to bar that one, but the 5 strings below is necessary. And then you need to go to 4th D added, 4th G, and 3rd B. That's the B minor, and then we have the final chord, which is the G. And it goes 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. All right, so this is a song with a main pattern. We have some break or something that comes in between later on, but we have one main pattern that goes in the same way through the entire song. So it's basically a chord progression that builds up on E minor, A minor, D, and depending on if you're on the 1st round or 2nd round, you're gonna play B minor for the 1st round, and then you play the same again, A minor, D, and then G on the 2nd round in the end there. So that is basically how it goes. Now we need to look at the rhythm and the strumming. So like I said, the E minor, A minor, D will be with us all the time. Doesn't matter which round we play. So you're gonna play like this. Okay, so it's E minor, down, clap, and then comes A minor, down, just immediately after the clap for E minor. But then you have a longer pause before the clap comes for A minor. So it goes like this. Okay, that's an important timing there to have. So you see it's a longer break between the downs and claps when it comes to E minor and A minor if you compare them. So down, clap, clap. Okay, then you continue with D. You play that in the same way as E minor. The down and clap are connected there. So down, clap. And that's it for the main part. You're gonna play these 3 chords always. So it goes like this. And then comes the B minor, this 1st round. You're gonna play down, down, clap, down. Okay, and that ends the 1st round. So the 1st round goes like this. So that down, down, clap, down in the B minor. Then you go back and play the same, E minor, A minor, D, and then you place the B minor with the G instead. The rhythm is exactly the same, so it goes like this. Alright, so that is the main part of the song. I'm gonna take you through a couple rounds of this, so let's go. Alright, I can just throw in the melody here, and it comes in the last chords, both for B minor and for G. So instead of playing the down, down, clap, down, you can play notes instead. So for B minor, it will be like this. Okay, So it's very up there. If you listen to the song, you will hear that very clear how they play this bass there. So instead of playing down, down, clap down, you can play notes like that. So you'll find them on the 2nd fret A string, the first 2, then open D, and 2nd D. That's the B minor melody. And then the G melody will be like this. So 3rd fret E string in the bass, then open A, 1st A, and 2nd A. And they work as a bridge for the next part that comes up there. So if you play the notes, it will be like this. Right, so it's your choice there, strumming or the melody. Now I mentioned we have something that comes in, and this will be the extra that is not this main pattern, and it's about 2 different chords, and I didn't go through them in the beginning of the tutorial because I think it's just a grip or so. It builds upon the D sharp and the D chord. The D we already have down here, but we'll play them like this because it's the same grip. You just move it 1 fret away, so it's hard to get this and then jump up to this standard D. So you will have them right as a neighbor's, exact same grip. So what you do here is to play 6th fret on A string, the 8 on D, 8 on G, and you make just one downstroke, a short downstroke on these strings, and that will be the D sharp. And then you go and take the exact same grip and move it 1 fret away from you, so you'll land with the index finger on the 5th fret A string, and then you have the 7th fret D and 7th G, and that is the D. Okay, so just one down on the D sharp, big pause in between, and then D, and then big pause, and then you come back again to this main pattern, E minor, A minor, D, and so on. And that part with the D sharp and D happens 2 times in the song at least, and the first time is 39 seconds into the song, and then we also have one part at 2 minutes and 27 seconds into the song. Perhaps it's one in between there, not sure, I don't think so, but anyway, when it happens 2 downs on the D sharp and D, and then you go back to the main part. All right, so that pretty much sums it up for Ariana Grande's Too Close. So guys, if you enjoyed the tutorial, if it was helpful, show me some love back, give me a thumb up, subscribe to this channel, of course, if you haven't yet, and see you soon. Play tuned.